1.
Clip pack. Animation. Pick a rig. EA clip. Export. Pick 5 different ones.
2.
Back home. Override. Animation. Locate CAS Idle. To change all of the male CAS Idle, look for male_long breath, look around, look left, look right, and wait shift. The lady. CAS_idle female 01, 02 if you'd like, and then long breath, look around, look left, look right, wait shift all over again. Import one of your blenders. Save. Repeat for all of the ones you'd like to change. Done. No more smiling and looking to the top right this time. Or is it screen right, but actually top left? Wonderful 3D jargon.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.